What up and welcome. This is Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. In this video, I am going to show you how I have created this awesome and great looking fitness application. Obviously, you are asking yourself, what's up with this long silent? Okay, the reason is I am lying right in front of your face. This is not a React Native application. Actually, in this video, I am going to show you a Figma UI. So you can see this is a Figma UI. So in this video, I am going to show you how I have designed this Figma UI as a prototype. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. So I have designed this Figma UI, as you can see, guys, but interestingly, this Figma UI is running on my Android phone, as you can see. But at the moment, even if I can click here, it's not interactive. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Figma prototype. What is a Figma prototype? When you have designed your screen in Figma, now you might want to make your design to be interactive. Maybe you are going to present it to the stakeholders, maybe you are going to present it to your employer, or you are going to present it to a client. So without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize my screen a little bit. Okay, so let's continue, guys. As you can see, guys, this is a Figma prototype. Let's say you want to know how did I design this screen. Okay, I have got a full course tutorial, okay, a full tutorial on how I have designed this Figma on my other coding channel, which is Coded UI. So let's quickly check that. As you can see, guys, this is the coding channel. Let's check the tutorial. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is the actual tutorial. So if you might want to see how I've designed this fitness app, you can just check this tutorial. So let's go back to Figma. So we've got a splash screen here, we've got the screen number 1 and the screen number 2. So what we want to do, we want to create a prototype where when you click here, it will take you to the screen, and then when you click back, it will take you back to this screen. So here in Figma, we've got the design and we've got the prototype. Since we want to make a prototype, let's click on prototype. Okay, and then now that we are on prototype, let's hover over the button, okay, the element that we want. As you can see, we've got this plus icon. Let's click and drag. Okay, as you can see that this is pointing to this screen. As you can see, the arrow is pointing to the screen. Then we're going to drag it just like that, and then we're done, guys. And then we are going also to go to this arrow, because when you click this arrow, we want the prototype to show this screen. So let's do that. Let's click and drag here. As you can see, guys, the arrow is pointing back to this screen. Let's say for some reason, okay, just to make sure that you understand the whole thing, let's say when you click on this logo, we want to show the splash screen. So meaning that we will just have to hover over this one, you use this plus, and then you drag this to here, as you can see, guys. And then let's say when you click here on this logo, you can go back to this screen. And that is it, guys. So now it's showtime. Okay, so if you want to see how your prototype is working on Figma, you just click this play. Okay, let's do that, guys, and see. Okay, my apologies about my slow computer. Boom, that is it, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is an awesome fitness application. If you might want to know how it has been designed, please don't forget to support my other channel, which is Coded UI. This is where I only do the UI part, UX and UI, in case you might be interested. And also I will encourage you to try to learn Figma as a developer, because if you want to land a job as a newbie, companies, more especially as tech startup, they are looking for a guy who can do a little bit of design and coding and front end. Okay, so let's click here, guys, and see what will happen. As you can see, guys, it's taking us to this screen. Let's click on back. Nice, as you can see, guys. So now let's go to the screen again, and then let's click here to go to the splash screen. As you can see, guys, it's taking us to the splash screen, and then when you click on this logo, it's taking us here. Otherwise, that's about it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you have learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. Don't forget to code badly with pride. See you on the next one.